I used to start my mornings scrolling Instagram for 45 minutes. Now, I wake up and get more done by 9 a.m. than I used to by noon. And it all started with one free AI tool. In this video, I'll show you how I completely redesigned my morning routine using a simple AI system. No fluff, no fake hustle, just tools that actually work. I used to wake up late, grab my phone, and waste time on useless content. My brain felt foggy, unmotivated, and stuck in survival mode. Then I built a morning system using ChatGPT. I asked it to design a productivity-focused morning routine based on neuroscience and habit stacking. And it gave me this: wake up, hydrate, 10-minute AI-guided focus exercise, journaling prompts, and priority task setup. I copied everything into Notion, added time blocks using Reclaim.ai, and boom, I had a system. After just 7 days of following it, I was waking up earlier, finishing tasks faster, and actually feeling in control. The best part? AI tools reminded me to stay on track, even when I didn't feel like it. I used 3 tools: ChatGPT for planning and mindset prompts, Notion to organize the routine, Reclaim.ai to automate my calendar and keep me focused. And all of them are completely free. Want my exact AI-generated routine template? I have linked it in the description. No sign-up, no spam. Or you can just ask ChatGPT. Design a neuroscience-based morning routine using habit stacking and the 80-20 rule. See what it gives you. If you're tired of feeling stuck, let AI help you reset. Subscribe for weekly systems to upgrade your self-aware.